Well, hello. Happy Friday, March 20th, 2020. And this is Teacher Connor coming from home again. And I am really excited for what the online classroom has to offer today. I have uploaded a virtual field trip to the Museum of Natural History, and I've included some questions to go along with that. There's also some spelling and some math work on there, along with if you guys haven't done the walking water science, I would say go ahead and do that today. Again, none of this needs to be a rush. None of this needs to be stressful. I will be reaching out throughout the day, asking if there's any questions. I, again, will be uploading things Sunday for everything going on next week. And the next thing, throughout this process, throughout this next, 6 weeks or while we be working together here online, I wanted to reach out and see if there's anything else that you guys as a class want to learn about. So whether that be dinosaurs, the Statue of Liberty, space, geography, geology, just post today on the Google Classroom of something that might be interesting. And if you have 3 ideas, write those as well. And I would love to find ways to add that into the curriculum that we're doing here on this online classroom. Again, I'm really excited about this opportunity. I think it gives us a chance to learn in a whole different way. You guys are all doing fantastic with your work. I'm so proud of all that work. And again, this is a little shorter circle time, but I have uploaded the directions for the assignment today. There's also the online Walking Water Science project if you guys wish to do that today. Again, none of this needs to be a rush. None of this needs to be stressful, but I hope you guys are enjoying some of these assignments that I've posted. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And again, today on March 20th, 2020, I hope you guys are doing awesome, and you guys take care and stay safe. Thank you.